Definitely, and most of the people just calling that we don't have to just shut the diplomatic channels.
No,
so
no,
what do
no,
you say about it?
No. I am a peace promoter. I refer war, WAR, as waste of available resources.
No doubt about it.
Isn't it?
Yes.
I would again humbly request to both the leadership to give diplomacy a chance. We have very, very intelligent and professional diplomats at the helm of the affairs at this time. Give him a chance.
They have always make us proud at every juncture, really.
Always, because the military has done it. There are two things only between any two neighbors or any two rivals: diplomacy and deterrence. Anyone fails, the other must work to avoid or avert war. Let's say, for a while, deterrence failed, for a while. So they attacked us. We have re-established through our response. Now let the diplomacy work again.
Definitely.
All right?
But now the thing is that this is not the first time Iran has done such a belligerent act. Iran done nothing on first missile attack on November 25th in 2013, then in July 2017, then again last year January and April 2023 when the terror attacks on Pakistani security forces in Panjgur and Kech areas. Pakistan asked to take stern action against all those, bring them to justice, at least those were responsible, but Iran has done nothing on that. So what about, because Iran is not taking responsibility of anything?
That's what I said in the beginning, that Pakistan waited for a very long time. It could have responded much earlier. But Pakistan was giving them time to respond, to act in a responsible manner. The same we do with the Afghanistan also. That please you take action, because the states are responsible for the behavior of non-state actors also if they are doing it against a sovereign state from their territory. And I don't want to predict, but time is not too far when Afghanistan will also have to suffer for this. Because Pakistan has its plate full and we have had enough from our neighbors, and therefore we will respond now.
So
without compromising on our national interest, we will not initiate. I will again say, we will not initiate, but we will not keep quiet now.
So, Dr. Shamsi, do you think that is it a right way for any state across the world that they should initiate some sort of preemptive strikes in the name of self-defense or something like that? So, at any other sovereign state, like in this case, Iran initiated that against Pakistan. So, do you think that in a modern world, in a civilized world, this is the way to act?
Of course not. Of course not. Only arrogant states, revisionist states do things like this. Why Pakistan does not do it? Why there are so many other states they don't do it? Why should Iran follow into the footsteps of the United States? Who does it? Or Russia did it in few cases. Why? Iran all by itself is surrounded by conflicts, and in many parts of the world, especially in Middle East, Iran is responsible for initiating such acts. Why? Hasn't this particular act harmed the cause of Palestinians and Gazans?
Very unfortunate.
Very unfortunate.
Yes.
I have been saying that we are already at World War 2.5, which can expand to 3. Let's say Iran does it again. What will happen? Don't you think that the conflict will expand? It will expand. isn't it? So let diplomacy now, okay, I will not say that let's forget it, because we will not forget it.
Yes, definitely, we will not. We cannot even.
But we can move forward. Okay? Let diplomacy take charge once again, and let armed forces be at the back of diplomacy.
Yeah, definitely, well elaborated, Shamsi Sahab.